Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology process control and database administrator for the company named Cleveland Clicks. Experience 5 to 10 years. Education need is bachelor's degree in computer science. The location is United States. The second technology is senior SQL DBA for the company Myticas Consulting. Experience need is 4+ years. The location is United States. The third technology is senior database administrator for the company named Revel IT. The location is United States. The fourth technology is associate. The company name is HCLTech. The experience need is 8+ years. The education need is bachelor's or master's degree. The location is St. Louis County. The fifth technology is data integration lead. For the company Hexaware Technologies, experience need is 5+ years. The location is United States. The sixth technology is Linux admin or with Redis. The company name is techfetch.com. Experience need is 3 to 5 years. The location is New York. The link will be given in the video description, so apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for the more job details. Thank you.